Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply auto borders in Excel. If you use this way, this is so time consuming, right? Click it, then you select the record and click this option. Let's automate this process. First select all the columns where you want to apply auto borders, then click on conditional formatting, click new rule, then use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here tap equal, then select the first cell of your header. So here I'm gonna select the number because this is the first cell of my header. Then press F4 two times. Click format. Here you can apply different styles like colors, borders, fonts, numbers. I'm just gonna apply borders. So click on outline, then click OK, then OK. Now you can see the border is adding automatically. Cricket 5 Muhammad Ali is my favorite boxer. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.